Hey, Music Therapy Laz here in Berkeley, California again. Hanging out. What's up, man? You guys want to be in there? Yo, what's up? We're checking out Games of Berkeley here. That used to be a very special spot back in 1984, I think, right, Johnny? Was it 84? Was it 1984?
Man, I wish John Beane was here. This is it.
Johnny Beane TV.
Hey, dude. This is the building.
So check this out, man. This is the building where way up there it had Van Halen all across that. Van Halen posters, large size pictures of the band across the windows here. But this used to be Tower Records here back in the day, man.
I'm hearing an echo.
Yeah. I'm just gonna copy what you're saying, Johnny. But yeah, I thought we might even want to go in because they might have Van Halen Funko Pop in here. What do you think, Johnny?
Oh, they might.
Yeah. Would that be cool to actually find a Van Halen Funko Pop in here?
Well,
I think that would be.
We gotta do that.
All right, let's do it quick. I'm gonna go in.
But anyway, this is your Tower Records.
Let's check it out. See if they have any. I'm gonna just ask them. Do you have Funko Pops? Wow, this is a cool place. Hey, do you guys have Funko Pops? Oh man. Oh, you do? Okay. They require masks. I'm shooting a live video. Is that all right? I'm shooting a video. Is that okay?